of let's see how to download these games on Delta iPad. In the first step, open Settings. Later, go to Privacy and Security. After that, turn on the setting for unknown sources. In the next step, launch the Safari web browser. Next, look up the Delta emulator main website. After that, get the newest version. In the next step, open Delta emulator. Next, press the plus sign. After that, choose Import Game Files. In the next step, find the game file that was downloaded. Next, press on it to add it to Delta. Next, wait until it shows up in the library. In the next step, pick the game from the Delta collection. Now, tap to begin playing. Now, modify the controls if necessary. You are good to go.